Hello everybody. Many of our clients, they do look at their Google Analytics on a regular basis to analyze where is the traffic coming from, the conversions of the website, the behavior of the visitors. And it's very, very critical to get a super clean data set. So very often when we go in and audit their analytics account, we also see that there's quite a bit of people that's visiting their website from their own locations. Right? So the owner, the sales rep, I don't know, a lot of people go on their website from their own location. And of course, it's diluting the data reported within analytics. So let me show you how to exclude your own IP. So that way within analytics, so that way you get a much cleaner data set. So it's super easy. So all you do is log into your analytics, analytics.google.com. You go to admin. On the right hand side, you'll see filters. And you just click on add filter. And select filter type is to exclude. Right? Traffic from the IP address equal to, for example. So you can name any name you want. So I'm in my home office right now. And how do you get your IP address? That's very easy. So all you do is go on Google and then type in, what is my IP? And this is your IP address. And you put it in here and save. So what's going to happen is it doesn't go backwards, right? So all the data from prior to this point, the data will still not be super clean. It's after this point, once you added your IP in the exclusion, then the data set will be much cleaner. So I would advise you to do this so you get much cleaner data set.